guys, today I will be doing my first tutorial. So, if you wanna get the transcendence like opening, follow this glitch. Okay. That's where the opening aura is. That where I'm pointing at. Okay. Now let's do the glitch, guys. Let's do the glitch, guys. Whoa. Okay, so guys, wait, bro. Okay, it's like this, guys. Okay, no shift lock. You can shift lock while doing this glitch. I will ruin the process. Okay, so yeah, like this. What is it again? Crim? Is it crimson? Oh, it was. Oh yeah. You need to, bro. You need to equip Cosmic Destroyer first. Don't click that again. Use Aura and see how you're rolling. Use Ancient Crimson while you're rolling, and you can do a fling glitch like this. Look, guys. And while you're rolling, Ancient Crimson, and boom, guys. There you go. Now, I didn't really get high, but sometimes you get a short jump and sometimes you get a long jump. So yeah. Bye guys. See you tomorrow.